If you love adventure, rugged terrain, and absolute independence while traveling, the Loki Elite H-Series 2026 is a motorhome built exactly for you. Unlike traditional luxury RVs designed mainly for smooth highways and campsites, this motorhome delivers true off-grid performance with the comfort of a premium apartment. The exterior of the Loki Elite H-Series is bold, armored, and engineered like a military-grade expedition vehicle. It sits on a high-performance chassis built to conquer dirt roads, mountain trails, and remote destinations that most motorhomes could never reach. From reinforced aluminum body panels to all-terrain tires and high-clearance suspension, this machine is made to travel far beyond typical RV limits. Inside, everything is designed thoughtfully, blending luxury with practicality. The living area is compact yet beautifully finished with premium upholstery, modern surfaces, and warm ambient lighting. The fully equipped kitchen includes induction cooking, stainless appliances, large countertop space, and advanced energy-efficient technology. The sleeping area features a plush premium bed, blackout windows, and sound insulation for peaceful rest, even in the middle of wilderness. One of the standout features is its off-grid electrical system. With high-capacity lithium batteries, solar power integration, onboard water purification, and intelligent climate automation, this unit supports extended remote travel without needing hookups. The bathroom follows a premium yacht-style layout, featuring heated flooring, rainfall shower, and premium fixtures. Driving the Loki Elite H-Series feels powerful and confident. Its chassis stability, digital cockpit, and intelligent terrain control make it ready for everything from sand dunes to snowy mountains. Whether you're a minimalist traveler or an adventurer seeking unforgettable landscapes, the Loki Elite H-Series 2026 represents freedom, without sacrificing comfort or design. It's not just a motorhome.